Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we give you the best tips and tricks for building amazing websites. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the world of WordPress themes, specifically focusing on how you can create a stunning online portfolio without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to transform your portfolio into a visually appealing and professional showcase, stay tuned. Theme 1. Mesmerize. First up, we have Mesmerize by Extend Themes. This versatile theme is popular for a reason. Mesmerize lets you create stunning online portfolios effortlessly. Whether you're showcasing your skills, work statistics, or customer reviews, this theme has got you covered. What's great about Mesmerize? Let's break it down. Let's talk about pros of this theme first. Great for all kinds of portfolios. Highly customizable with 30 content sections and 5 headers. Supports video backgrounds, slideshows, and gradient overlays. Fast load speed and performance. Excellent support for premium users. Here are some cons about this theme. Limited functionality in the free version. Paid version is aggressively marketed to free users. Some users report plugin conflicts. If you're willing to invest, Mesmerize could be the perfect theme for you. It's free to start, with premium options ranging from $79 to $449. Theme 2. Inspiro by WP Zoom. This theme is perfect for videographers looking to create a video-based portfolio. Inspiro comes with Vimeo integration, allowing you to have self-hosted video backgrounds. Now let's talk about the pros of Inspiro theme. GDPR compliant. Compatible with WooCommerce and popular page builders like Beaver Builder and Elementor. Works well with WordPress 5.3 or above. Here is the only con about this theme. Doesn't support external Google fonts. Inspiro is free to use, but you can upgrade to Inspiro Premium for $69 per year for more features and unlimited updates. Theme 3. Uncode. Third on our list is Uncode by UND DSGN. This theme is designed for creative professionals who want to showcase their work elegantly. With a powerful page builder and a range of pre-built layouts, creating a stunning portfolio is a breeze. Let's talk about pros of Uncode theme first. Robust media library for organizing and displaying media. Integration with WooCommerce and WPML. Optimized for all devices and high-resolution screens. Here are the cons of Uncode theme. Requires personal efforts for optimizations. No free trial. Uncode is available for $59 and includes future updates and 6 months of support. Theme 4. Ocean moving on to Ocean. A versatile theme perfect for photographers and artists. With 30 unique demos and stunning design options, Ocean helps you create a portfolio that stands out. Let's talk about pros of Ocean theme first. Variety of portfolio styles, including masonry, grid, full width, and carousel layouts. Customizable fonts, colors, layouts, and animations. One-click demo import feature. WooCommerce compatible. Here are the cons of Ocean theme. Limited customer support. Ocean is a premium theme priced at $69 per year. Theme 5. TheGem. Last but not least, we have TheGem by Codex Themes. This multi-purpose theme is perfect for various industries and niches, including portfolios, blogs, and e-commerce stores. Let's talk about the pros of the TheGem theme. Wide selection of pre-designed templates and layouts. Full customization abilities. Fast loading times and optimized code. Let's see what are the cons of the TheGem theme. Not a coding-free solution. Insufficient support documentation. The TheGem is available for $69, offering great value for its features. Before you install any theme, it's crucial to preview it to see how it works in real time. Head to the theme's official website or marketplace, select the theme and click on Demo or Preview. But remember, this won't show you how it performs on your live site. That's where InstaWP comes in. It allows you to create a sandbox environment to test any WordPress theme without affecting your live site. This way, you can ensure the theme works perfectly before making it live. So there you have it. 5 amazing WordPress themes to create an outstanding online portfolio. Remember to use InstaWP to test them out in a safe environment before making them live. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. And don't forget to comment below with your favorite theme and share this video with your friends. See you next time.